So today's DIY was to make a makeup organizer using newspaper, and this is what I did. Yeah, this is the cover. This is the back side, and there is the inside. Look at that. Look at that. That is what I did. You can store so many things inside here. All your makeup sorted, fully sorted. So this purely from newspaper. The only thing which is not newspaper here is a base, which is a carton, which I've covered with the newspaper, but all the others are newspaper, and it's firm, very firm, and you can see it has a lid. You can open and keep your stuff inside. So what else can't you do with newspaper? So I'm hoping someone gonna try this, yeah, and make up something out of it. So thank you. Hello unique people, this is Unic Makeovers DIYs. Welcome to my unique YouTube channel where we get to share unique ideas and techniques. So today we're doing a makeup organizer. We're going to do a makeup organizer using newspaper. Use a piece of newspaper here. So we need a piece of newspaper, we need a pair of scissors, we need ruler here, we need a pencil, we need a glue. So let's begin, and then we'll need a piece of carton here, which I'm going to show you how we're going to use it. So let's begin. So I have my piece of newspaper here, which I'm going to cut into 4 equal parts. So I've folded it into 2 like that, and again fold these again into 2 equal parts, like that. So I'm going to cut these into 4 pieces to give me this. So we're going to use these 4 pieces, and also what we need is a skewer.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, like a bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell